Hey guys, it's Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm excited because I'm going to teach you how to make a high protein one smart point crepe on WW Wellness That Works for every program, for the blue, for the green, for the purple. And I just made these zero smart point apple cinnamon mug cakes, microwave mug cakes. Easy peasy, and stay tuned for that recipe. All right, so let's get started. I've already put my skillet on a medium to low heat, and I've sprayed it really well with cooking spray, or I can't believe it's not like butter because you don't want them to stick. And I just have my nice big mixing bowl. I'm taking a half cup of egg whites, okay? A half cup of egg whites that I enjoy. And I'm using 1 scoop of my Quest protein powder. And if you don't have Quest, don't worry, it's versatile. You can find other protein powders that are low at Walmart or Costco. So on WW, it's 1 smart point, and you're just gonna add that. This is so fast and easy and delicious. I'm gonna squirt in about 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna just add in a little bit of some cinnamon, just sprinkle some in, you know, as much as you like or as little as you like. Some people like it, some people don't. And I'm just gonna put a splash of some lemon juice. If you have real lemon, you could add real lemon and even some lemon zest. And of course, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, just to bring out the flavor. How fast is that? And you get 4 servings. I'm just gonna get my 1/4 cup, because I measure it out with a 1/4 cup. So just make sure that you stir it really, really well. Just bring that up to show you. Just gonna mix it. This is how you get your exercise in the morning. These crepes are super delicious and versatile, of course. So you can have them for breakfast, for brunch, for lunch even, as a snack after a workout. Okay, and of course, you know, if you want to add anything to them, I'm going to be doing other videos on ideas of what you could add to them, and you get a really nice batter, okay? It's perfect for a crepe. You don't want it too thick and you don't want it too thin, right? So it makes 4 crepes, like I said, and if you want them bigger, you can use a 1/3 cup, but I just use a 1/4 cup, and they're plenty big, trust me. So I'm just gonna make sure this is hot. I had it, and I'm gonna just add my 1/4 cup, nice big 1/4 cup, and put that on my skillet. Just make sure I get all of it. Usually I have my spatula here, but I'm the only one eating these. And then you just spread it around, okay? Just show you. Just spread it around, and you don't touch it. You just let it harden on its own, okay? So I just like to spread it. And again, you want a bigger one. You can make them larger or smaller, of course, right? It's versatile. It's up to you. So I let it just get firm for a few seconds. You just have to be patient. And I just take it around. You'll see that it gets nice and hard pretty fast within a few seconds. I'm just gonna bring it up so you can see. It's a little wet on this side, but it's okay. And once it gets firm, it's way easier. So you don't play around with it and keep turning it over. You just have to turn it over once. So I just like to scoop it up and flip it over. There. And that's it. Easy peasy, right? So, and you just keep repeating until you finished all your batter. And you'll get 4 nice size crepes. And then what you're gonna do afterwards, let it cool for a few seconds, and dun da da da, you roll them up. That's what I like to do, and you get 4 of them, 4 nice size crepes. And if you want, you could take some Swerve icing sugar, or regular icing sugar, or just take, what I've done is I've taken a little bit of cinnamon and I just sprinkled them. So you just roll them up really easy. I'll show you how easy this is. I'll take one to demonstrate because that one's still hot. And so they're flat when you take it out, and then you just roll it like this. Okay, really easy, and eat it like that while it's nice and hot and crispy. Or you can make it in advance if you want, and then, you know, stick them in your oven or have them cold. You know, it's versatile. And then you can add different things. You can have a little bit of whipped cream. I have delicious whipped cream here in my fridge, or Cool Whip. I found chocolate whipped cream, I know. But you could add even some cocoa to your Cool Whip. You can find coconut Cool Whip, or whipped cream, I mean, and enjoy it. Have a little bit of fruit with it. You could have it with some eggs. But this is amazing. One smart point for all of this. So it's healthy, high protein, delicious. You can have it any time of day. And I hope you love this recipe. I love when you comment. Please comment and tell me what you think. And share my channel with others, all right? If you change it up, if you keep it the same. I love you guys. Take care. Bye for now.